Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add transition in CapCut PC. Alright, so open the CapCut PC and you can click new project and import your videos or photos you like to edit. So for example, I'm going to select images and just drag to the drag. Right, and before I set the image duration in 1.0 second. Go to transition to add transition and select the transition you like available here. For example, just going to add the mix transition. Can adjust for the duration and you can apply to all the clip for the transition, or you can add another transition um, to other clips. Wait, I'm going to select apply to all the clip. You can see for the final result. Alright, and also add the text, sticker, back, and anything you like in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.